Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at the allotment again and I've been down here working very hard. That's why you see me sweating. I'm just standing in front of my yacons. You can see they're coming on leaps and bounds. Got loads of flowers on them. They won't be ready till December time anyway. Around about that time I'll start having a look and see. So what I've been doing this morning, like I said I was going to start doing, is started bringing round some of the manure before it all goes. I see that they brought round some fresh one, but I don't want that one because that one's going to be really smelly. So I'm coming in here, brought round, and I've got to take up these marigolds and move them over to another side. Just put those in there. They're all at the end of the season anyway, so I just want to get pile this up with the manure. So I'm just putting those there until when they die down, which is going to be pretty soon anyway. Hopefully anything on top of here will get killed off anyway. I've been phoning around, going around everywhere, trying to get the scaffold boards. I need 15-13 foot ones to finish off the rest of the place to make it look a lot neater. You can see it looks a lot neater since I got these three in. Got one more to do what's going along the top as well. But for the time being, just working on getting as much manure around as I can. So I'm going to do that and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, I'm back around at the manure pile. This is a far one, so I'm just going to get some of this one out and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we're back around again. This is the pile, started to build it up. Gonna try and bring around as much as I can. The pile is going down and I see a lot of people, so sometimes I come down, I might not get any, but we'll see how it goes throughout the season. If I have to bring the fresh one, then I'll try and put the fresh one at the bottom of the pile, then stack these ones on top, which is the one what's already well rotten. Because how this manure is now, you can use it straight away, so I'm just stockpiling as much of it as I can, because once I take the things out and get these beds ready, then this is just going straight on top. Right, so my next task now, I've got this New Zealand spinach up here. I'm just looking if I've got any French beans on here, because every time you come you see some new ones growing, so just checking. Well, can see some of the purple ones, so I'll sort that out after, but I want to get into this New Zealand spinach and see if I can get as much of this out as I can. It's going to be a task doing it, but I know the bits what I want, so we're going to start on this, then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so got a big bag of New Zealand spinach up. I'll come back around this side and show you. and I've still got that all that amount up there, all this to take out. And believe it or not, this was only two roots of New Zealand spinach, so I could imagine if you put more in how much you would get from it. But this needs to be maybe in a deep raised bed so that when it spreads out you can control where it goes. But next time I come I'll pick some more of that. I'll show you what I harvested today. This is what I harvested today. I've got beetroot, some corn, some tomatoes, a lot of mixed peppers in there, some aubergines, or these are the small egg-shaped ones, what they're called them, but I don't know much about them. So got different sized chilies and everything, cucumbers and the New Zealand spinach. So that's what I picked today. I've got a cabbage to pick as well. Every time I come and you pick these small tomatoes, they never reach home. I always end up eating them before they get home because they're so sweet. They're just like little sugar bombs. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pick that cabbage, then I'm going to give these things a quick water in, and then that's it for today. So if you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We do answer most of them, or we answer all of them if it's just to say that we've read it, or so that you know that we've read it. If you leave a comment, we try and answer it as soon as we can, because we're getting quite a few comments in now. Our super thanks is on, so if you want to leave us a cup of tea or a drink or anything, you feel free to do so. It helps us and it helps the channel along. There's still some things that I want to do. I want to get the rest of the scaffolding so I can get these in, get these fenced round, and the other ones might leave these ones and just concentrate on these three, and put another one up the top so I can put my potatoes in buckets up there. So you can see everything's coming along nicely still. We've still got things growing. This chocho's been there from the beginning, and it's just growing and sending off things. I chopped off the tops of it, and all it's doing is just still carrying on growing. We've got French beans and everything still growing. My butter beans, still got some corns to get ready. My carrots, still the sweet potatoes are still in. I've got another few weeks to go, and I'll be emptying out some of the buckets in the polytunnel so I can start clearing out the polytunnel. Bringing round the manure, can feel it's hot already, so that'll burn down through the winter. Once I got everything up, I'm going to put a thick layer on the top, then let that rotten down, and then dig that in, and then put another layer on ready for the next thing. So that's what you want to start doing, prepping. If I don't go around and get this manure now, then I'll end up getting the fresh one, and that's smelly and horrible to pick up at the moment until when it burns down a bit. But we're getting there. So see, some things are perishing. My cucumbers are going down. Sorry about that. And you know, we've still got a few things in what's still coming along. My other broccoli what I planted. This is my other broccoli what I planted. You can see that that's starting to come now. I left it open now, so hopefully it should be alright. And my sweet potato what I planted in the ground is still coming along. So we've still got things going on. every time I say you're going to do something, you end up coming down and you end up doing something else. But I wanted to bring round the manure, so whatever, every time I come down I'll have to go around there and see if there's any left. If there's some left, I've got to bag it up and bring it round and pile it up for the winter. So thanks for watching this one. I hope you're all enjoying what you're seeing, the content, what's coming out, and I hope you all got your things getting ready for the winter now. We're coming up to the winter months, so I hope you're getting all those things and preps ready. There's still a few things what you can put in, but I'm not putting in anything more. I want to get this ground and everything sorted out and prepared for next year. This is my first few months of having an allotment, so I've got to just work with what I've got and improve as I go along. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care.